Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Today, we are focusing on maize prices, which have held steady as the market eagerly awaits the arrival of Kharif maize and anticipates a significant surge in ethanol demand. As of today, September 5th, maize prices remain stable across major markets in India. In Bihar, maize traded within a range of 2,500 Indian rupees to 2,550 Indian rupees per quintal, while in Uttar Pradesh, prices hovered around 2,500 Indian rupees per quintal. Prices for Bihar maize delivered to Tamil Nadu also stayed firm at 2,900 Indian rupees per quintal. Moving south, in Karnataka, consumption markets saw prices between 2,750 Indian rupees and 2,800 Indian rupees per quintal. Meanwhile, imported maize at Tuticorin was trading at 2,850 Indian rupees per quintal. Markets in Pune and Sangli remained stable at 2,900 Indian rupees to 2,950 Indian rupees per quintal, with Jalgaon holding at 2,800 Indian rupees per quintal. Now, let's shift focus to the anticipated ethanol demand. India is on track to achieve a 20% ethanol blending target, requiring over 10 billion liters of ethanol in the upcoming marketing season. This demand is more than double the amount produced during the current season ending in October 2023. Approximately 3.5 million tons of maize have already been used to produce 1.35 billion liters of ethanol this year, which is a remarkable fourfold increase from last year. While sugarcane is expected to contribute significantly to ethanol production, its contribution will be capped at 5 billion liters due to the need to prioritize domestic sugar consumption. As a result, corn-based ethanol production will need to ramp up to meet the remaining demand. Producing 3 billion liters of corn-based ethanol will require nearly 8 million tons of maize, leading to the possibility of significant maize imports. The rising ethanol demand has already started influencing maize prices in nearby markets. For instance, maize prices in Myanmar have increased from $270 to $300 per metric ton, FOB, and this price surge has motivated farmers to boost maize planting. India has already imported around 775,000 tons of maize by August 2024 to keep up with demand. The market will continue to monitor developments, with traders and processors staying active in sourcing maize imports from Ukraine and Burma. Additionally, the Indian government has approved the import of 500,000 tons of maize at a concessional duty rate under the TRQ scheme, providing some relief to the market. That's the latest update on maize prices and the outlook for the ethanol market. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mini Guru for more updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about the latest market trends. Thanks for watching.